Yes, welcome to today's session. This is Dalkins Technologies expert engineer Juma. So today we are going to introduce to you a very simple tutorial on how to design using Weldments. The main objective is to understand how we can manipulate 2D sketch, 3D sketch. At the same time, we combine extrusion features in Weldments. Then we do a simple demonstration for welding. How can we weld in SolidWorks? So welcome, let's rock and roll, guys. So here, I know you have your own SolidWorks software that you have purchased from the resellers or from the developers here in Kenya or outside Kenya. But our key area is design. The client requires the end product, they don't require the software. So how you use the software depends, or how you give the output to the client depends on which software you are going to use, because there are many softwares outside there for manufacturing purposes, like SolidWorks, we have Autodesk Inventor, we have Fusion 360, we have Katia, which are also used in the aviation industry. We have Solid Edge, we have Creo PTC, which I like most. We have Onshape software. So there are so many softwares you can use. Even AutoCAD can also be used to design those features. But remember, the speed with which you use to design a feature will also be affected by the software you choose. So here I've chosen to use SolidWorks. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do a simple design. This one we done in our previous tutorial. You follow us on Facebook, you're able to see what we did in our Facebook for this tutorial. But now we want to do a simple part in our design using these weldments. So let's go to new part. Then we are going to use a simple design. Click on top plane sketch. I'm using 2D sketch and 3D sketch. I'm going to mix 2D sketch and 3D sketch. Okay, follow. Let me put this one. We are using for demonstration purposes so that you're able to learn these features. I may not give you the accurate measurements, but I know we are going to give you the procedure and the contours on how, piecewise step on how to can make this design using weldments. So this one I can put 300. Click this one or press F. This one I can put this one can put 800. Press F. 800. This can be 1 meter. Yes, that's 1000. Okay. I want to make it for construction geometry, all of them. So how do we do it? Just click on this one. Hold down Control as you pick all of them. Once you finish, this one pops up to construction geometry. Yes, and then from here, join. Maybe let me put a symbol, center line here. Center line here for the purpose of mirroring. So here up to here, for example, this one. So we are doing 2D sketch. So this one has gone out, so you hold it down, then drag, place it where it's supposed to be. Press F. 2D sketch. We're mixing 2D sketch and 3D sketch. This part equal. So I can put this one as 800. Example, 800. Let me mirror entities. Can pick this one, and this one. Mirror about this. So it has mirrored. So here, in case I increase, also it can increase. Or I can say this is my, for example, let me show you how to use the measuring parametric. When you click on this one, let me put it, this is my D1. Sorry, this is D, which is supposed to be, let me put 2400. Yes, 2400, for example. Okay, let me remove this one. Let me put 2400, 2400, my table. 20, this one, sorry, this one can be D, then this one can be 2400, and then I can, but instead of putting this one, let me change here, remove it, then it's my dimension. I put this one here, then put equal sign, symbol case, then put this one 2400 divided by 3. Yes, divided by 3. Okay, so this one will calculate to give me dimensions. Okay, so this one I can also dimension this one part using formulas. This one equals to this part plus 200 equals to this. Okay, you see, that's what we get using formulas. Using formulas. Then control 7. Then from there, do what? Exit. Yes, we have our top sketch. From our top sketch, we want to create the support. So from here, let's look this front plane. This front plane, control 1. This is the front plane. Control 7, maybe for you to see. This is the front plane you're going to use, which is at the center, and we want to make a plane that passes through this one, this side. So how do we do it? So we come to front plane, then come here, plane, then pick either of this point, like here. Click OK. So this is our plane. Click on this plane, sketch. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to do a 2D sketch from this side here at the far point here. So this is a 2D sketch. Our 2D sketch, you can put from this far point, it goes like this. You see this point, which sometime control 7 want to see how it will give us this, because it was 800. So we can do something different, unique, maybe from this point up to here. Let's merge it like this. You see, control 8. Then I can put a center line here to mirror from here. It will go here. Can click on this, click say vertical. Then what's the height of this? The height of my leg. Yes, smart dimension. Smart dimension. We can put this one and this one like here. This table can be say 7 is too big, 650. 650 like this. At this which angle here and this angle, we can put it 60 landing. 60 landing is okay. We can mirror this one, this one. You can mirror about this one. Okay. After mirroring, control 7. This is what we get. So exit this, then we can hide this plane, Then this sketch, we can create another sketch on that side. So from here, click on front plane, this one, and then pick this point. Okay. Then this front plane, sketch, then click convert entities, pick this one and this one, then click OK. Control 7, then exit. Then this one, hide. Yes. What next that remains? Do we need to put the other side? I think that's will be enough. What else can we do? That will be enough. Yes. I will show you how we can put the remaining. Yes. The support here. Yes. The support on this side. So this is a sketch we have. Let's save it. We can say this is a dining table. Dining table. From the dining table, let's come to Weldments now. If the Weldments is not here, what you do is just place the pointer here, go to tabs, ensure that you check this weldments. For example, I don't want sheet metal, I remove it. Yes, but if you want the sheet metal, I come to tabs, then I click sheet metals. It comes here. So we are using weldments. So we are using the weldments here. Let's go to structural. Which size can we use? Do we use square tube or we use rectangular? Let's use square tube. Any size, maybe we can put 80. Square tube, 80 by 80. So we can pick this one first, this one. We can build that one. We can build this. It is too big. I'll put 60. And put 80, but I want to use 60. Yes, this one. So I can click here, new group, the first group. Okay, this one, and this one. Then again, the down support, you can click new group. We pick on this one. Zoom here, what you see. Do you want it to be like this? I'll show you how you can put it. But if you want, you can just click here the hand. Then it shows here what you want to pick. Maybe, for example, like this, or the other side, 2 or 3. But let me put 1. I will show you how to change the order. Maybe like this. I'll show you how to change the order. Then next, another group, we can pick this one. This one. That is the second group. Third, this one you can pick. This one again. This part. You can pick this part like this. So this is what we have. Then click OK. Yes, we can put the material. Which material? Or for your structural, I think you can use my steel, which is common. Let's use let's use chrome because I'm assuming I'm using for food so that it doesn't corrode. I can hide this one. Can hide this one. Can hide this one. Yes. Control 1. This is what it gives me. But remember, at the bottom side, it will not be good because it will affect. Also here, it will not be good. So what do I do? I want to remove some materials there. So click on this one, sketch. I want to use, there's a way I can use it without cutting, but I want to demonstrate this one using different methods. Yes, how we can also cut in weldments. So this corner here and this one, I want to put it coincident. Same way, this corner here, this corner here, and this one, I want to put it coincident. Then I can do here, come to weldments, say extrude cut, then say through all, to remove that material. So that's what we have. Yes, and then also here the same front face sketch to this one. I want to show you how we are going to manipulate our design. Yes, so that this base sits on the table well, and we'll also check on the dimensions. If our dimensions are accurate or not accurate here, and this one should be, sorry, this point and this one, what have I done? Should not be another line. So this one, this point here, I want to cut this point, and this one should be coincident. Yes, then I say weldments, extrude cut through all. Okay, so if I click on this one like this, when the table is standing on the floor, it is good. Yes, it is good, but there is something which is missing. What is missing? We are missing a support. So this is a support which is missing here. I want to put a simple support here. Maybe this part. Maybe I use a plate sketch. I want to use a simple support here. Simple support. I want to use simple support. Let me just draw lines. Lines. Sorry, this one is, my mouse is very fast. Yeah? Why my mouse is very fast? I want to use simple support. I want to use simple sketch. So this part, I want to put it called linear. This part and this part, I want to flash and put it collinear. This part and this part, I want to put it collinear. This part and this part, I want to put it sorry, mouse is going faster. It's just sketching what I don't want to sketch. This I want to put it, make it parallel. You see? Then what is the thickness of this? Thickness here is, I'm using 6, a plate of 6. Yes, plate of 6. 6 is okay. It will support. Yeah, 6 is okay. Put it 6. So I can mirror the same. Let me mirror this. Make sure this one is vertical. Then come to features. Sorry, under sketch. Mirror entities. This part. Mirror line. This one. If I zoom here, it is here. Okay, we'll go to click. Okay. Control 7. You see, this is what we have done. Okay. Then we come to this side. Under weldments, say extrude. We're not cutting. Yes. Extrude. I want to pick up to. So come here, say up to surface. Then pick this surface. Then click OK. Control 7. So we have put a simple support in our design. Will it support? Yes or no? 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 Okay. I want also to close this side. We can use end cap. End cap. I put here end cap. But remember, end cap won't work well. Why? Because this is a constraint cut. So what do I do? I want to close this side. So sketch here. Control 7. I want to put just a plate. Convert. Maybe this ends. I want to convert this ends. I want to put a simple part here, like this. I want to convert that one. Where does it go up to down there or not? This would be enough. I'll show you why. So let me just put this one first, like this. For example, same applies to this one. Convert this part, this one, this one, this part, this part. Okay. I want to use this one for the purpose of putting my top cover. Then I come to weldments. Also, you can extrude. So there's a simple plate I want to put, a plate of 2 mm. 2 mm is too small. 4 mm is good. Yes, 4 mm is good, not 2 mm. Okay. Then I want to mirror. So before I mirror, let me create an equal plane from this face again to this face. Okay. Control 7. I want to come here. This mirror, where is mirror? Mirror is here. That's the plane. The plane to mirror is here, this one. Then the bodies to mirror is this and this one. And I click OK. So I've done my design. Yes. So I want to change the color. First of all, this is the color of the design. I want to change it for easier visibility. I'm not finished. So we are going to do last part. I said I like this color. Next is this part and the mirror. You want to change them different color for the purpose of visualization. The purpose of this software is to help you visualize the design. Yes, so that's our part. Then we have this other part. We also want to generate different color for the purpose of visualization. Yes, we can put which color? Maybe we can put this yellow color. Okay, so we have this our design. Can I put end caps? I'll show you if the end cap will not allow or not. For example, come to here, end cap. Then I pick this face. You see? Then color treatment, put a radius of this. But I can check the radius. I can check the radius. Let's say check, do I check the inner radius or outer radius? Come to evaluate, measure. Let me check the outer radius. Here, this 10. So then inner radius is 5. So come to Weldments, end cap, pick this one. The one you put in the radius of 5 or 10. Yes, or 10. Then you are let it be on the outside. Yes, let it be on the outside. I can pick all of them because when I leave it, it will be cutting the floor. If you're using your tiles, your floor is made of tiles, so if the material too sharp, it will cut your floor. So that's why I'm putting this end cap to prevent it from cutting the floor. Normally end caps are plastic, so it won't affect your floor. So I can put a black color or a blue color for my end cap, black color or a blue color for my end cap. Yes, that is okay. And then we can rearrange those ones. Okay, so what next is there is this part which is remaining. We want to put a simple part inside. There's a part which is remaining. So which part is remaining? So click on this one, sketch, then take a line from here, come here like this. We want to put our top, but before I put this one, I want to clamp using this method. So before I put this one, let me do this, what you call, I want to use this gusset between this face and this face. Then this gusset should be down like this. Yes, I'm putting it down. So I'm using this one, so I put it 50 by 50 by 30. So these are the gusset I'm putting. Okay, the same. This face I can mirror, but let me repeat for a sec. This and this, put it down, opposite side. Okay, I can mirror, but I'm doing this for the sake of understanding, and because this is training, not end cap. Sorry, should be gusset. This face and this face is down already. Yes. So again, gusset. This face and this face is down already. So okay. Dot 7. Then this I can put them in one folder, but let me change the color first. Then I put them in one folder. Gusset. I want to put them in another folder. Which color can you also put for gusset? We can put even red is okay. It's still okay. Yes. So let me put this gusset under one folder. You can put another document. You say gusset for the top support. Gusset for the top support. Yes. Then what next? This one. And so this one is okay. This one is okay. This one is okay. So what next can we do? Let's now put our table. Click on this one, sketch. We want to put very simple holes. We want to drill first from here. So that's why I wanted us to learn these simple tricks. Yes, I wanted us to learn these simple tricks. Make this one vertical. Sorry, make this one vertical. This mouse, take a hole somewhere here. Maybe a simple hole. Let me put a simple hole here. 6, okay. I know I can mirror. Yeah, let me mirror. Let me do this one in a mirror to make work easier instead of me redoing it many times. Yes. So this is the beauty design. A hole of 6. So for me, dimensioning, I can say, just select this hole, this one, the circle, and this one, I say equal. Changes. Then you can take a simple line here. If this at the center of it, make sure this one is vertical. Vertical, come to mirror, pick these two, click here, select this. Okay. Then Control 7, check here, expand, come to Weldments, click Extrude Cut. Then we can say maybe through all. Yes, but it would be good to do that. You can say blind, then thickness can put like 15, it's okay. 15 is okay. That. Then here, click on this one, sketch. Now, the top one, this part, it goes like this, like this. So this is what we want to learn. This mouse is going very fast. So let's proceed. Yes, I can mirror, but no problem. I'll show you how we can put constraints. Just doing a rough sketch. I'm showing you how to put these constraints so that we align this. So this one and this one, we say they are collinear and they are horizontal. Same to this one and this one, we say they are collinear. Yes, this part and this part, this line, we say they are collinear. This line again, this line, we say they are collinear. Sorry, this one mouse is faster, so don't worry. This one, we say they are collinear. Collinear, yes. So what next do we do? You can pick Control 7 if that one gives you hard time. So pick this edge, this edge, this edge, and this line, say collinear. So you're using constraints only. You see what will happen? Pick this one again, this one, say collinear. Yes. Okay. We want to use the constraints only without putting dimensions. So pick this one, pick this one. There are many ways of doing it, I know. Making it very fast. But for the purpose of the demonstration, I'll do that one, this one, collinear, yes, draw 7. So, okay, what next? So on this edge, and this edge should be collinear, yes, Control 8. This, press F, it goes away. What next? This edge, and this edge, we say it is collinear, yes. This edge, we say it is collinear. You see, we have put them without even dimensioning. This edge, that is the purpose of constraints. With this edge, Control 7, then this edge and this one, we say collinear, like that. The sketch is fully defined. Control 8. You see, the sketch is fully defined, but in case you want to put prevent sharp edges, maybe you can do that. You can do that, which here it won't be good because it will go inside. Maybe you can only do sharp edges, prevent sharp edges at the exterior ends. Kando, this side, like this. Can only put on the exterior side, like this. Yes. Then okay, Control 7. I want to come to Weldments, extrude, yes, change here up to surface, then pick this surface, then click OK. This is what we have, but the appearance. So can we change the appearance? Maybe this top part, change the appearance. Top part. Which material can we put? Let's use wood. Wood. Yes. Let's use wood. Why is not changing this mouse? Okay, no problem. We'll work with it because it's too fast. It's ahead of the computer. Okay. So here we can put wood. I think I can put wood. I don't know if I like pine. Mine I don't like rosewood. I like rosewood. Okay. So we can put this one. This. So we have our simple table. And this one, let's rename this one as a rosewood top. Okay. So this is what we have. Our simple table. Yes. Our simple table. Is it strong? Is it strong? Okay, you will come to know why. Is it strong or not? Yes. I want to put markings to separate this. I want to put markings. Maybe this one is apart by 1 inch. 1 inch. Then it's 2 inches. Okay, 1 inch is too small. 2 inches. Can mirror. Let me mirror this linear pattern. I edit this one. Where am I mirroring? I want to mirror along this axis. Then this one I change this one because I don't want this. Can increase. This is 2 inch part. Change. This is 4 inch apart. Change. This one like this. Yes. Then okay. Control 7. Come to Weldments, not Weldments. These features here. Split line. Pick this face. Okay. You see, we have our design. This is our design. So I want to finish the last part. Last part was about welding. How can we do welds in SolidWorks? Okay. So come to elements, click on weld bit. Then I want to weld here, maybe for example, take a part or take a geometry. Geometry, we can pick this face and this face, for example, those two faces. Then what's the gap? Maybe it's for 3G, using 3G. Yes. And then you can define the symbol. What type of weld it is? Fillet weld. It's a fillet weld. What type of it? Also convex. The contour, maybe it's convex. Click OK. Then I can click OK here. But I want to see it. Come here, say, check this one. If I expand here, this is the fillet weld with a convex shape. Fillet weld with a convex shape, but has a gap of 3. You see? This is how you can weld in SolidWorks. Again, I can also show you how to weld here. For example, spot welding. Pick the geometry, maybe this and this. For example, you are joining there. Change here to intermittent weld. Yes. Maybe the gap, maybe you can say 10 by 10. Yes. If you zoom here, you see the preview, or say this staggered pitch and length, for example. You see, you can pick gap and length, or pitch and length. So the pitch here maybe 6. Yes, the gap here is 20, for example. You see, or the gap here is 6 and the pitch here is 20, or they are equal. You see how we put apart. Those are spots. So it depends on how you want to put your spots, yes, apart. So this is what you call the spot welding, intermediate spot welding. If I click OK, here it's able to show me that I have a gap of 3, but 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 spots with a gap of 8 and 12. 8 and 12. So these are the weld you can put in your design. Previously, I had done this thing. Maybe let me hide this top. Hide this one. You see this? For the purpose of what? Joining, assembling. If I show it here, the rosewood, if I show it here, so that's where it sits. Yes. If you look at the bottom here, we're able to see. So I can join using this one for joining from the bottom side, joining from the bottom side. Also, they have this thing. We have not checked on what you call the end cap. End cap we have put. We have put also gussets. We have done hole wizard, chamfering, no problem. We can also do another gusset, maybe from this face and which face, for the purpose of support this face. Yes, does it put a gusset? Maybe you can use this one. You see, this is the gusset, but it's located longly, so I can put at the center. Then we can increase this one maybe 100 by 100, for example. Yes, then we can say offset. You see, directional. You can put this support. Yes, same as gusset. You can put this to support. Yes, okay. Yes, you can also put this on this support. Yes, gusset here and here. Yes, very this is the weldments. So this is how you can do weldments. Another gusset here, this and this. You see, and then we can change these gussets to be in one for maybe the appearance, all of them. Let me pick this one up to here, all of them. Then change the appearance. I want to put the red color for the purpose of visualization of the gusset. Yes, so that you can support that area. Maybe I can put this one as green. Then I can put this one, all of them together in one folder, add to new folder. I can say gusset side support. This is how we have done our design. You see, we have put our design as simple as that. Here we have our end caps. Here we have gusset supporting this one, this. At the same time, you have another gusset here, this type of gusset here supporting the top, where we can clamp from the bottom side, or assemble the bottom side. Then you have our top, and then you have our design. Then we have done how we can show you how to do welding in this part. Welding this part. That is what? That is the purpose of using SOLIDWORKS. Designing using weldments. Yes, you see, that's now the end of our session today. We had learned how, maybe I do a simple recap. Our main objective is to see how we can manipulate 2D sketch or 3D sketch. We make our design from 2D sketch or 3D sketch. We can move ahead to apply weldments, weldments, and we have used square tube of 80 by 80. In case I want to change this one, I can also change it to 40 by 40. Maybe I was using I wanted to maybe to use 100 by 100. I just click here, expand here. First of all, expand here, click on this sketch, edit sketch, and then I change my dimensions here to suit. This is the profile of the dimension. We call it square tube because inside is hollow. Square tube because inside is hollow. So we are using 80 by 80, fillet of 10 with a gap thickness of 5. But if you want to change it, you can able to change to suit your design. If you change, it also change, the design changes. So this is what we have done in today's session. One, manipulating 2D sketch to create a well-made profile using a square tube of 80 by 80 and a thickness of 5. From there, applying gussets for the top side and also the sides, the sideways. Also apply the bottom support and also apply the top material. Doing also welding in SolidWorks and displaying how you can put the weld to show the weld the welds. Now the fillet weld with the concave shape and the spot weld with a fillet spot with a flat side. So this is what we have done in today's tutorial. In case you have any question, you are free to ask and seek more clarity from our online training from Facebook and from YouTube. Thank you for listening and have a lovely weekend.